Here at Liberty RV Roofing, we primarily do RV roof repair, but we also do body work. We pretty much can do anything with an RV, we just stay out from under the hood. But we do have the fastest turnaround when it comes to RV roof repair, and we can typically get you out of the building in 2 nights and 3 days. Typically when we finish a roof, they're amazed. They're absolutely blown away. For one, it was done so fast, and for another, it's weird enough to say the roof is beautiful. Like, you wouldn't think, I never thought when we finished a roof that I would look at the roof and say, wow, this roof looks really beautiful. But when you're done, it's seamless and it's white and it's like sparkly. It's like a fresh snow. And I don't know, I never thought a roof could be pretty, but it definitely is beautiful, especially compared to a typical roof or even a brand new roof from the manufacturer. It just doesn't compare to what our roof looks like.